हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती एजुकेशन ग्रुप भादरा जून। ये मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए इंग्लिश मीडियम में 8th क्लास सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। देखो ये दिया है हमारे, यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट। क्वेश्चन है आपके, यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट डिटरमाइन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाई 4/8। ठीक ना, यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट, यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by by 4/8. Number A is 572, number B is 726352, number C 5500, number D 6000, number E 1259, number F 14560, number G 21084, number H 31795072, 31795072. One 700. J is 2150. देखो भाई, ये यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट डिटरमाइन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाई 4/8। डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट का यूज़ करना है और हमारे डिटरमाइन करना है कि इनमें से कौन सा जो नंबर है वो आपका डिविजिबल होगा 4 से और 8 से। ठीक, 4 से और 8 से कौन सा नंबर डिविजिबल होगा ये बताना है हमारे को। तो देखो, पहला नंबर है आपका 572 और फर्स्ट नंबर इज 572। सेकंड नंबर इज, देखो ये यहाँ पे, ठीक, 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 lakh 7,26,352। थर्ड नंबर इज 5500। फोर्थ नंबर इज 6000। फिफ्थ नंबर इज 12,159। सिक्स्थ नंबर इज 14,560। सिक्स्थ। सेवेंथ इज 21,084। एट्थ वन इज 1s 10s 100,000 10,000 lakhs 10 lakhs crore 3,17,95,072। नेक्स्ट वन इज 1,700 and last one is 2,150. So here we will go with our first solution of part A. Solution of part A is here. Solution of part A is 572. Now we have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 and by 8 or not. Got it? So divisibility of 4, I am going to write divisibility rule of 4. नंबर 4 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल क्या होगा, ध्यान से देखेंगे. देखो भी डिविजिबिलिटी रूल देखना है नंबर 4 का, तो उसके लिए समझने वाला पॉइंट ये है कि हमारे को यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट और टेंस प्लेस डिजिट से बनी हुई नंबर को चेकआउट करना है. यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट और टेंस प्लेस डिजिट से बनी हुई नंबर को हमारे को चेकआउट करना है वेदर दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाई 4 और नॉट. इफ नंबर मेड बाई यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट एंड टेंस प्लेस डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाई 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4 or not. Got it? So our first number is 572. Unit place digit number is 2 and tens place digit number is 7, and number made by these two digits is 72. Now we will check whether 72 is divisible by 4 or not. So we will divide 72 by 4. 72 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Now we will remain with 3, and when 3 will combine with 2, it will give us 32. So we will count table of 4 for 32. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, and 4 8 ja 32. Now here we are seeing 72 is completely divided by 4. Hence our full number is, our complete number 572 will be divisible by, our complete number 572 will be divisible by what? 4. So this number is divisible by 4, is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Now we will go for 8. Only 3 digits are given, and divisibility of 8 is this only, that we have to check whether the number made by unit place digit, tens place digit and hundred place digit, the number made by units place digit, tens place digit and hundreds place digit is divisible by 8 or not. If this number will be divisible by 8, then our whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay, so here we are getting, or this number is divisible by 4. Now we will check for 8. So 572, if 572, actually no measure, we have to consider it by manually dividing only. If we will go for checking 2, then we can say only by seeing that unit place digit is 2, then the number will be divisible by 2. If we will go for check divisibility by 4, then we will consider unit place digits and tens place digits. But whenever we will go for checking 8, then we have to check out the number made by last 3 digits. If the number made by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then only we can say the whole number will be divisible by 8. But in this number we are only getting 3 digits, then we have to check these 3 digits only. Okay, so let us count table of 8. 8 1 is 8. We will go for 57, all of first, na? 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, and 8 7 is 56. And here we are getting number as 57. So 8 7 is 56, and now 1 will remain, and it will combine with 2, then it will give us 12. We will count table of 8 in 12. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So 12 is not divisible. Hence we will say number is not divisible by is not divisible by 8. This number is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 8. Got it? Let us move towards our next question, next problem. So here we will look at our part B. We will look at our part B, which is 7,26,352. 7,26,352. 7,26,352. 7,26,352. वापस सुनेंगे 7,26,352. Whenever we will check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, then we have to first check these two numbers, two digits and number 52. If 52 will be divisible by 4, then we will say the whole number will be divisible by 4. If 52 will not be divisible by 4, then the whole number will not be divisible by 4. Okay, so here we are seeing 52, and when we will check 52 is divisible by 4 or not, then we have to count a table of 13. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, 13 4 ja 52. So here we are seeing our 52 is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, if you are not able to understand, then manually we will calculate whether 52 is divisible by 4 or not. So 4 1 ja 4, 1 is remained, so it will combine with 2 and give us 12. Now we will count table of 4 in 12. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, so 13. Okay, now here we are seeing our 52 is completely divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Okay, now we have to check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. So we will write it again and go for checking 352, whether 352 is divisible by 8. Okay, so 352 we have to divide it or check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, so 8 we have to count table of 8 in 35. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, and 8 5 ja 40, which is more than 32. So 8 4 ja 32. 32. Now 3 is remained, again 32, then it will be divided by 4. It will divide by 4 by 8 again. Okay, now we are seeing 352 is divisible by 8, hence this number is divisible by 8. So is divisible by 8. Okay, now next one is C. Before going towards our part C, I will rub this portion so that we will get some place for solving our problem number C part of our problem number 2. Second, then our C part is 5,500. Now here we are seeing we have to check whether 5,500 is divisible by 4 or not. So here we are seeing last two digits is 0 0, then definitely it will be divisible by 4. Okay, because 0 0 is divisible by 0 0 is a number which is divisible by every digit, every number. Okay, so 0 0 is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. So is divisible by 4. Now we will check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. So we will go for checking 500. Then we will divide it by 8. Now we are seeing 8 7 is 56 and 8 6 is 48. 8 6 is 48. We will remain with 2, and 20 is not divisible by 8. Hence 500 is not divisible by 8. So the given number is not divisible by 8. Okay. Number part D is here we are seeing this is our 6000. Now we will see, can you say whether this number is divisible by 4 or not? Let's check. The number made by last 2 digits is 00, and 00 is divisible by every digit, every number. So we can say that this number will be divisible by 4, and if this number is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Hence this number is divisible by 4. Now we will go for 6000, for checking 6000. So we will check last 3 digits. 000. Is this number divisible by 8 or not? Here we are seeing this number divisible by 8. Hence the whole number is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. E part, we are seeing 12 15 9. 12 15 9. Now we will check whether this number is divisible by 4 and 8. So first we will check these last two digits, number made by last 2 digits, which is 59. We will check whether 59 is divisible by 4. So here we are seeing 59. We have to divide by 4. 4 1 is 4, and we will remain 1, and now 19. We have to calculate table of 4 in 19. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 4, 5 is 20, not 19. So 59 is not divisible by 4. Hence the whole number is not divisible by 4, and if not divisible by 4, then will not be divisible by 8. Okay, got it? If not divisible by 4, then it will not be divisible by 8. Is not divisible by 8. Okay, E part. Now we will go for part F. Before going for part F, I will rub it and make some place. Our part F is 14,560. 14,560. Now we will check this number, whether this number is divisible by 4. So we will take this number 60. As we know very well, 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60. Here we are seeing whenever we will divide 60 by 4, then we will get 15. So 60 is divisible by 4, hence the whole number is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Now we will check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. So here we will see, if we will check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, then we will work on first we will work on these 3 digits. Okay, if these 3 digits or number made by these 3 digits is divisible by 4 by 8, then only the whole number will be divisible by 8. So 560 we will divide by 8, 8 7 ja and 0. We are seeing whenever we will divide 560 by 8, we will get 70 only. Okay, so here we are seeing this number is divisible, is also divisible by 8. Okay, now we will move towards our part G, which is we have to check whether 210.84 21,084. Now first we will check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4. Here we are seeing 84 is completely divisible by 4, hence the whole number will be divisible by 4, hence is divisible by 4. Now we will go for checking 8. So we have to check number made by these 3 digits. So here we will see 0 is 0, 8 1 is 8, but 4 is not divisible by 8 1 is 8, but we can't count the table of 8 in 4. So here we are seeing this number is not divisible by 8, hence the whole number is not divisible by 8, is not divisible by 8. Then we will go for our part H, and our part H is this one, 317,95072. Now we will check whether number made by these 2 digits is divisible by 4 or not. 4 1 is 4, and this is 32. 4 8 is 32. So 72 is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4, is divisible by 4. Okay, now let us try these 3 digits. 72, we will count table of 8 for 72 for checking whether 72 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, and here we are seeing 8 9 is 72. So the whole number will be because this number is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Now here we are seeing these tricks or divisibility rules are magical, because without manually checking, without manually dividing this much big number, we are able to predict whether this number is divisible by 4 or divisible by 8. If we will go for manually checking whether this number is divisible by 4 or 8, then it will take much more time, and we are using some magical tricks or magical rules of mathematics, and now we are able to predict whether this number, this much big number, is divisible by 4 or by 8 or not. So is not divisible by 8, is not divisible by 8. HI, or part I is this is number is 1700. Here we are seeing this number is completely divisible by 4, hence the whole number is divisible by 4, is divisible by 4. Next one is number made by these 3 digits, and here we are seeing 7 is not divisible by 8, hence 700 will not be divisible by 8, hence the whole number will not be divisible by 8. So is not divisible by 8. Okay, next one is J. This is 2150. J 2150. So now we have to check whether 50 is divisible by 4 or not, and here we are seeing 4 1 ja 4, and after that 10 will not be divisible by 4, hence 50 is not divisible by 4. So 2150 will not be divisible by 4, is not divisible by 4. Now let us check by 8. So here we are seeing, when we will calculate table of 4, then we will see that 150, when we will calculate table of 8 in 150, then we will see that 150 is not divisible by 8 because 15 is not divisible by 8. So number will not be, and moreover here we are seeing if the number is not divisible by 4, then it will definitely be not divisible by 8 also. Okay, so is not divisible by 8. Okay, now this was our last part. Okay, and our question number 3 we will see in our next video. I am going to just make you understand. I am going to repeat these 2 parts because I was seeing that I think earlier you was not able to see them properly. Okay, so our part H is 3,17,095. Sorry, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3,17,95,072. So here we are seeing is divisible by 4 and is not divisible by 8 because 72 is also divisible by. Okay, here we are seeing 72 is divisible by 4 because whenever we will count table of 4 in 72, then look at this, 72 divisible by 4, 4 1 ja 4, and here we are saying 3, this is our 32, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 4 ja 16, and 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 4 7 ja 32, 4 8 ja 40, so 36. So here we are seeing 72 is completely divisible by 4, hence the whole number will be completely divisible by 4. So now we will go for checking these 3 digits, and here we are seeing these 3 digits are also divisible by 8, hence the whole number is divisible by 8 because 8 9 are 72, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, our part I is 1700. These 2 digits, number made by these 2 digits is divisible by 4, hence the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now number made by these 3 digits is not divisible by 8, hence the number is not divisible by 8. Okay, this number whenever we will check 50 is not divisible by 4, then the whole number will not be divisible by 4. 150 is not divisible by 8, then the whole number will not be divisible by 8. Okay guys, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.